SAP Ariba with Procurement. Are you ready to elevate your IT career? People Prime Worldwide, India's largest IT staffing company, is looking for a talented SAP Ariba with procurement expertise. Key skills: Sales, SD, SAP Ariba, Procurement, Techno Functional. Experience required: minimum 3 to 5 years of experience in SAP Ariba Procurement with hands-on involvement in system configuration, implementation, and support. In-depth knowledge of SAP Ariba procurement models, including sourcing, contract, supplier management, and procure to pay. Experience with SAP Ariba integration into SAP ERP, FI, and other third-party systems. Experience in supplier risk management or compliance management modules of SAP Ariba. SAP Ariba certification is a plus. Job locations: Pune, Bangalore. Work experience 3 years to 5 years. Education qualification: any graduation. Employment type: full time. Work mode: work from office. CTC range 10 lakhs per annum to 15 lakhs per annum. Notice period: immediate to 30 days and serving notice period. These positions are for our esteemed clients of People Prime Worldwide. Check out the description for more details and apply now. Like, share, and subscribe for the latest IT job opportunities with People Prime Jobs.